pay a few bills, however big your dream is and your why, then you're going to join us as an affiliate, which simply means that you're going to pay a once-off $40 affiliate fee together with your $9.95 membership, right? Tonight, when you jump off the call. That's it, guys, $50, and you get started in this little business. We can't make it any better than that. It can't be free, and it certainly can't be $1,000, which we see everywhere else. $50, and away we go. You grab our hand and come and build this business. Come along on this journey with us. But don't you dare treat this like a $50 business, because if you do, it'll pay you peanuts. You're going to come with the attitude that this is a $1 million business. You paid $1 million for this business. You come with that attitude, and I promise you, it'll change your life. Okay. Now, how do we get paid? I'm going to spend a little bit of time going through the compensation plan really quickly, guys, so you understand how we get some of this. We get paid 7 ways here at LiveGood. I'm only going to cover the first 3. They're the only ones that matter right now. I don't want to waste your time. I'm conscious of the time you've got here with me today. Let's go through it. Number 1 is the weekly fast start. Guys, the weekly fast start is simply LiveGood's way of paying you some quick cash up front. Does that make sense? So you go out and share this little business opportunity with Trevor. Trevor pays his $49.95, call it $50 to get started. You earn $25. That's 50%. Simple mathematics. 10 people come and join you this week. You're going to get how much? $250 US in your bank account the following week. Okay? It's that simple. Now, but here's what happens. When two people join you, just two of your closest friends, whatever it might be, right? You're going to get to what we call the bronze rank right here. Because when you start, you're unranked. What does that mean? Well, we've got a bunch of ranks here at LiveGood, like they do in many companies, which simply recognize you as you recognize your growth and the success of your business as it gets larger, and it unlocks more parts of the compensation plan as you achieve each rank. So the first rank is bronze, and to get to bronze, you just need 2 people. Once your 2 people join you, what have you done? You've broken even, haven't you? Because you're going to make 25 and 25 from each of them. That's $50. Now, what happens with the bronze rank is you're still going to get that 50%, commission when Trevor joins you. But now, when Louise joins Trevor, Louise pays the $50. Trevor makes the 50%. You make 10% on that as well. So you make $5 on Louise's $50 payment. Does that make sense? And as you rank up through the compensation plan, you simply get paid deeper levels for people that are joining the next person and the next person. Does that make sense? So as a diamond, I get paid 10 levels deep, which means I get paid my 50% on Trevor, my 10% on Louise, my 5% on whoever joins Louise, 3% on whoever joins that person, and so on. It's fantastic little commission. This is weekly commission, and it's simply paid based on the amount of people that are joining your business. It's that simple, okay? Now, let's get into the matrix. Let's get into the residual part. This is the royalties that the musician gets paid for producing that hit song, right? This is the recurring income, the residual income every month. Here's what happens. When you join your organization, you are the CEO of your business. You will sit right at the top of your organization. It's in the shape of a matrix with you at the top. And then as people start to join you, when you're sharing the business with people, they will come in and join you in the next available spot beneath you, starting with 2 people underneath you immediately, then 4, then 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on, okay? All the way down to 12 levels. And all that happens as you rank up, let's say towards diamond, it goes 13, 14, 15 levels deep. But it's the same. It starts off the same, 1, then 2, then 4, then 8, 16, and so on. As you're sharing this business and people are joining the business, whether you invite them or whether somebody that, let's say you invited Trevor comes and joins you here, the next available spot is next to him and so on. But Trevor's also now the CEO of his business right here, and he starts to bring people in as well. So what's happening is as everybody starts to refer this business to other people, your matrix starts to fill beneath you. Does that make sense? Now, everybody's paying their $9.95 membership every single month. LiveGood pay you 2.5% on every one of those $9.95 memberships as it grows in your matrix. That's 25 cents for every person that joins you. You might think, Johnny, that's not a lot of money. Well, guys, think about it. It's all numbers. 100 people in your matrix, $25 per month, US, every month as it grows. 1,000 people in your matrix is $250 per month US, right? 2,000 people in your matrix, $500. So as you can see, as it starts to grow, you're getting paid more. And this is residual income every single month that's growing as your business grows. Okay, absolutely fantastic. And you don't know who knows who. That's what's exciting here, guys. That's what's exciting. So suddenly somebody, you get Trevor to join you. Trevor gets Louise. Louise suddenly finds a Johnny. And Johnny explodes his business, which helps not only Louise, Trevor, but you as well. So it's all the activity that's going on in your matrix. It's absolutely fantastic. So there's your matrix commission. That's every single month, and it just grows as your team grows. But guys, I'm here to tell you this. Are you listening carefully? The only reason why so many of us are building a business with LiveGood, building a business, is because of the matching bonus. It's all about this page that you're staring at right here, number 3, the matching bonus. This is the part that's going to create the biggest checks that this industry has ever seen. Here's what happens. Whatever your personally enrolled people earn in their matrix pay every single month, so your personally enrolled people, whatever they're earning, remember I said that when you've got a bunch of people underneath you, you're earning the 25 cents. Well, that equates to $25 a month, $100, $200, $500, $1,000, depending. So people are going to have, they're going to get paid their matrix commissions based on how many people they have beneath them, right? Now, for all the personal people that you have in your business, that you have personally referred this to, you're going to earn 50% match on every single one of them. So you've got to ask the question now, in the next few years, how many people are you going to speak to about this business? How many? And how many of them are going to join you? And how many of them are going to be earning something in their matrix pay? $50, $20, $100, $1,000, right? You earn 50% on each and every one of them. And that's not even the best part, because, listen to me, as you rank up to silver, gold, platinum, or diamond, you're also going to earn not only the 50% on your personals, but 10, 15, 20, as much as 23% as a diamond on your whole team. Guys, this is what's going to provide the greatest checks in this industry for the next few years. I've been watching my matching pay grow over the last 2.5 years, and I can't wait to see what it looks like in another 2.5 years, in 5 years, in 10 years. This is true residual income. This is the part that we've been screaming from the rooftops. So everybody can hear it and nobody misses this page right here. This is the part that will put fire in your belly. Okay. Now, let's get on to the rank qualifications and we'll wrap this thing up. Guys, the bronze rank is our very first rank. It's our stepping stone rank. We simply show you, we tell you what to say, how to go and get your first 2 people to join you, and that's how you get to bronze. You help them do the same and get a bit of duplication going in your team. Suddenly you've got a team of 20 and you get to silver. Same thing with gold, except gold now you've got a team of 100. Gold is where your tummy starts to churn a little bit and you get a bit of a tickle because, guys, you've got 100 people in your team. It's starting to work and your belief level goes through the roof, and suddenly you've got a team of 500 because you're getting a bit of duplication. You're getting some golds in your team and silvers and bronzes, because it's all about helping all your people achieve their ranks and you get yours as well. So suddenly you're a platinum and it starts to really change some things in your life. And you get a bit of duplication happening because you've got the momentum happening now, right? This is where you start to get into that leadership role, and suddenly you've got some platinums, you've got some golds and silvers and duplication going on in your business, and you get to diamond. This is the part of your journey that everything changes. Everything. This is life-changing. This is where you can start to really plan leaving that 9-to-5 job that you can't stand. And life starts to look totally different for you and your family, like it has for me and so many others. That's why we yell and scream for everybody to just follow in our footsteps, listen to our blueprint, listen to our messages and our training, because we want this for you as well. It's that simple. And then, of course, you get a lot of duplication happening, and then comes your journey from diamond to crown diamond. Crown diamond is obviously, we've only got 3 crown diamonds in our globally, one in the US, one in Kazakhstan, and one in Philippines. And of course, with the diamonds, we've got about 200 globally. So crown diamond, 50,000 in your team. And you know what, guys, for us diamonds to even entertain getting to the crown diamond rank, we've got to help everybody else get to bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Seriously, that's